I said, the reason in a rural area like this, the reason you can't harvest, the coons don't bother it, the deer don't bother it, that big German shepherd's walking around at night.
Oh yeah, all night long.
Nothing comes in this yard.
And if anybody will notice, my German Shepherd's not out here right now. If y'all want to know what he's doing, he's in the house sleeping because he works nights.
Yeah.
So I tell people he works nights. Now, I know the corn is probably ready to be harvested, but this is going to be turned into meal. So I'm letting it dry on the cob, and then I will remove it from the ear, and then I will mill it and turn it into cornmeal. So this is Dent corn. This is not actually sweet corn.
Dent corn, yeah.
So it's got to stay there and dry until that whole thing starts to turn brown.
When Grandpa, years ago, when he raised his cattle, he would come out when he got about that high, and like he got the corn ready to harvest, he would chop it off about halfway and get down below that ear of corn and throw the whole thing to the cattle. They'd eat the whole stalk, corn shucks and all.
Yeah.
I mean, they'd eat it all.
Pigs will too. My rabbits. So yeah, these are black oil sunflower seeds. So what's been happening is I've been feeding my rabbits all of this. All of this. So that's what they do in Africa. They're actually raising rabbits. They grow corn, use the rabbit poop to grow the corn, and then they use the corn stalk to feed the rabbits.
A cycle.
That's right. Closed loop circle.
Yeah, that's how you do it on small acreage. You can produce more on small acreage because you don't need all the labor, the equipment, and you can take better care of it.
Yep.
So on a small area, what's this, a quarter acre?
Quarter acre market garden.
And I'll tell you what, the stuff she gets out of here will stagger your imagination.
That's hundreds of pounds.
You don't need 5,000 acres of okra to get a bushel of okra a day.
That's right.
I mean, you can do it on 10 or 15 plants over a period of a week. You can harvest a lot of okra.
Oh yeah, I can easily feed my family of 3 that lives on this property with what I produce on this property. If food stops being moved around tomorrow, I produce enough corn and stuff like that to be able to feed my family and my animals for at least through the grow season. Now, will we get tired of vegetables and chicken and rabbit? Yeah, but I wouldn't starve.
Well, and the good thing is living rural like this, put your German Shepherd inside and let him have a night off and take your shotgun and sit under that tree right there.
That's right.
You can fill your freezer full of coons and deer.
That's exactly right. That's what people do too. So, because we have laws
And
here.
hogs, wild hogs.
Yes, sir. We passed a wild hog the other day that had to weigh 400 pounds. It looked like a dog. I mean, not even a dog, like a deer running beside the truck. We made eye contact when I passed it.